In this video, we are going to cover the sound z, 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 z. To make the sound z, take the sides of the back of your tongue and press them against the top of your back teeth. Take the tip of your tongue and point it downwards towards your bottom front teeth. Zzz, zzz, zzz. You need to make sure that you're phonating on this consonant. Zzz, 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 zzz. Use this phrase to practice. There was no applause because the crazy zebra left his zone. There was no applause because the crazy zebra left his zone. Hear the sound z, 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 z. Practice this phrase with me. There was no applause because the crazy zebra left his zone. There was no applause because the crazy zebra left his zone. This phrase has a little bit of a trick in it between the word his and the word zone. His ends in the sound z, and zone starts in z. Make sure you add a little bit of space between the words so that they're distinguished as two separate words. Now that we've established the center of the phoneme target, let's talk about the secondary ring. The secondary ring of this target sometimes sounds like just a s instead of a z. This is caused by people not phonating on the sound. The outer ring of mispronunciation will oftentimes sound like a s as well, or sometimes a d, d, d. Z, z, z. Remember that d is an explosive consonant where you cut off a part of the air and then let it out, where z is continuously phonated and you allow the air to escape and vibrate at the front of your mouth. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next.